Yo guys, what's up? It's Merchant here, and today we are on Modern Combat 5. And if you guys didn't know, I actually got VIP 3. I bought a lot of whatever they're called, credits, and I got a lot of packs, and I got the RED-34. So what we're going to be doing is a gun review. So we're going to go over the stats. So you guys can see it can go up to MK. I think that's 5. Yeah. MK5, we got nice camo on it, so you can see you can get all the scopes, what's it called? You can get all these, tactical muzzles, you can get all these grips. I actually think we can equip another grip. Maybe not. No, that's what we're working on. Yeah. So, you guys can see I already have 20 kills with it, 674 shots fired, 14% accuracy. It's not a very accurate gun, but it's a very powerful gun, so, I mean, it's pretty damn good. So what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be using it, so let's go into a battle and let's go use it, and we can see how this really works out. Alright guys, so we found the battle. It's on scramble. Alright, so I'm probably gonna do really bad because I'm really bad at scramble. The only one I'm actually that decent at is rooftop, street, and that other place. Alright. There's no one here. Alright, that's that. We should kill that guy just so he gets the PR-39. It's a fucking amazing gun. What kind of knife is this? Oh dude, I tried to shoot that guy too. So you see we did get a kill there with only 2 bullets, so that's pretty cool. So as you guys can see, it's a very powerful gun. Alright, there we picked up another kill. We got another kill, guys. Dude, I don't know how to like beat guys with those type of guns. They're too good. So he's like a level 107. Like, what are you even doing in Gold League, fam? You should be in like Diamond or something. This guy's obviously just trying to knife me. Sorry guys, I should have killed him with a gun to show it off. Alright, so the game's coming to an end. We did get 5 kills. See if we can pick up a couple more before the game ends. Doesn't look like we'll be able to pick up any more. Oh, I stand corrected. Oh my god. And see, that's, I hate this. They need to fix the ranking system. Because people farm down in the lower leagues to get better scores. Oh, did you guys just notice? I just noticed I killed that guy. So yeah, guys, there it is. We did come in 3rd place. Oh, we didn't get any. We did get 10 credits, so you know what that means, guys? That means we'll be able to open up a combat pack for you guys on camera. Let's go. So that was just a little show off of the RED-34. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna open up this combat pack real quick once the goddamn thing loads. There we go. We'll go buy that for you guys. My bad, guys. RIP headphone users. But anyways. Alright, so it doesn't look like we're gonna get anything here. Yeah, smash. Already have that. Okay. Ooh, that actually looks kind of nice. I might use that. Alright, so that was pretty shitty. But anyways, let's go. Alright, see you guys in the next video.